Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching this video, chances are you're an international medical graduate. You have a goal of matching into a Canadian residency program. Every decision you make right now could be the difference between matching and another year of waiting. My name is Olumide. I'm a third-year orthopedic surgery resident here in Canada, and like you, I was once navigating the complex and difficult process of CaRMS as an IMG. In today's video, I'll be walking you through the exact timeline that you need to follow to match successfully, from licensing exams to document deadlines, CaRMS application dates, and everything in between. I'm here to give you what I wish I had when I was going through the process. Very clear, to the point information, strategic advice to help you make your dream of matching into Canada or a Canadian residency program a reality. So let's get into it. I'll be dividing this video up into 3 main points. The first one is you have to plan ahead. This is the most important mindset shift. You have to plan ahead. Pull out your calendar, pick a goal match year. For example, March 2027. That one step would give you perspective. You now have a target, a clear target that you work towards. Next, write down the major milestones. Milestones are things like registering for your Physician Apply account, verifying your documentation, applying for the MCCQE1 and the NAC/OSCE exams, preparing for those exams, writing the exams, doing observerships if applicable. There are several other things I haven't mentioned here, but at the end of this video, I'll be talking to you about a free product that I'm working on, which would include a complete examination and application checklist. By the way, I made a previous video going through the eligibility criteria for the CaRMS process. If you haven't watched that, you can go back and watch that video. I'll link it on the screen somewhere here. Once you've listed those milestones, next step is to reverse engineer the process by fitting in those milestones into the timeline based on the match year you picked. The next point is to do your research. Now you've built your list, it's time to back it up with real-world dates. Visit the official sites mcc.ca, carms.ca, physiciansapply.ca to find out information like the exam windows, turnaround times, CaRMS deadlines, and application periods. Write down those exact dates for the MCCQE1, for the NAC/OSCE, for when CaRMS opens, and things like that. You need to also find out how long it takes for the results of those exams to come out and factor that into creating your timeline. Estimate how long you realistically need to study for each of those exams. Factor that into when you're planning your timeline. The next point is to map it out. You've done all the groundwork, now put it on paper. Bring it all together by creating a physical timeline, something you can look at, something tangible, whether it's on your iPad, whether it's on your phone, or if you're old school, on a piece of paper. You have the milestones, you have the dates, you have your goal match year. Now fill those dates into the calendar of your choice. For me, I used my iPad. By the end of this, you should have a complete visual blueprint, almost like a bird's eye overview of your entire CaRMS journey. Of course, sometimes life happens and you might not stick exactly to these dates and timelines, but having something on paper, having something you've created will help you stay grounded and give you a basis from which you can work off. Before we wrap up, I've got something that I'm working on that I think will really help. I'm putting together a free digital toolkit. This toolkit would contain a customizable CaRMS timeline template, a complete exam and application checklist, and a downloadable planning calendar to help you map everything out. These resources will be 100% free and it's designed to help you save hours of planning. If you want early access as soon as they're ready, click the link in the description, and once it's ready, I'll send it straight to your inbox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this to any IMGs you know planning to match into Canada. And let me know in the comments below what your target match year is. Is it 2026, 2027? Let me know. More videos coming your way weekly. Thank you, and catch you in the next one.